Imagine a world filled with love. The beauty of times and seasons. The bounties that nature gives. The productivity at work. The sweetness of each celebration. This has been our story since 1930.
The estate employs more than 8,500 people and engages with 9,000 outgrower farmers who supply the factory with sugarcane. I can confidently say there are over 100,000 Ugandans whose livelihood depends on Kakira.
I think the most exciting thing about this business has been that we are basically sugar manufacturers. But as technologies have improved, we have gone into generating power as a renewable energy.
Our cogeneration plant is producing up to 50 megawatts of electricity. We supply more than half of this to the national grid, and we help power the economy.
Our state-of-the-art distillery produces more than 20 million liters of ethanol every year, and this ethanol can be used for various purposes. It is a unique investment that guarantees an efficient energy source directly sourced from our cane.
Now we're looking at bottling line for some of the specialized spirits. There's no end. It's quite exciting for the next generation. You know, you can keep going till you really have a very diversified business.
There is more. We are a green company. We are Kakira Sugar.